Okay. So make sure that your headset is set properly to your kid, and you have the song on your laptop, the Justin Bieber featuring baby song. Then that's it. You just made a remote controlled baby remote control. And okay, if you're going to play it, the YouTube, then you say play, then suddenly your kid will dance. See that? Okay, play, see that. But if you're going to say, hey, stop, then suddenly stop. See, that's just how easy it is to control your kids with our new technology, baby remote control. I'm going to show you again. Okay, play. Wow. Yeah. Then stop. Oh. Play. Um, Even though he couldn't hear you, but even you just say play, stop, just but he will respond to your voice. You just have to say it properly, Alvin Jan. The headset come over here. All right. Ah. Ah. See, okay, play. Oh, whoops. You just have to have another assistance of your team, so that you can, if the headset will fall, there's a new guy who will assist. See? Okay, Abidjan, stop. See? Oh, that is how easy it is to control your kids. Okay, play. Wow. Okay, that's it, guys. Just to show you how to control your kids using the our new technology, which is the baby remote control. Watch out for this.